Welcome back everyone to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for Neet. I am Dr. Radha Subramaniam with a PhD in Chemistry. So in the previous videos I have already uploaded Amines of Ncert class 12 first part, and today I am going to do the second part. Hope you have all gone through the first part. Those who haven't, go back to the previous video and just watch it again. So as you all know, NTA will conduct the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Neet 2022 on July 17. And though the exam date announcement has come as a relief, not everyone is happy with the timing of the exam. With a gap of only about 2 months between the exam date announcement and the actual exam, many students are demanding postponement, and they say that they will not get adequate time to prepare. Many students also took to social media blogging site to demand change in NEET 2022 exam dates. Students are saying that NT has postponed the engineering entrance exam JEE main despite having 2 chances a year at JEE. So NTA should also postpone NEET exam considering there is only 1 chance at taking the medical entrance exam. So whatever the case may be, I hope that you are all preparing well for the exam and do all the revisions from class 11 and 12, and those who are going to appear for 12 board exams also. I think you can utilize all these videos for your quick reference and studying. Okay, now we were talking in the last session about the amino groups, and we learned about primary, secondary, tertiary amines, and a few examples also about IUPAC naming and all that. And here we are talking about compounds with 2 NH2 amino groups which are named by adding the suffix diamine to the name of the corresponding alkane or aromatic compounds. You can see here, see 2 amino groups, NH2 here and NH2 here, CH2 6 times. So we call it hexane 1,6, hexane 1,6 diamine. So 1,6 hexane diamine is another name. You can either write this or use this. And here you can see one benzene structure, and on either side you have got 2 NH2 groups. So we can call it benzene 1,4 diamine or 1,4 benzene diamine. So here these structures, naming and all that, possibly if you can memorize it, then you can easily pick out the correct choice for the examination. And because the timings are very short and quick, you won't get time to write all this and number everything and see the branch and do the conventional naming. It's all very difficult, so it's better to quickly remember and recollect these names. You can just write the structure and learn it. Okay, now amide formation. So reaction with acyl chlorides. Primary and secondary amines are acylated at room temperature by acyl chlorides. They form N substituted amines. So you can see RNH2 plus CH3 COCl gives RNH COCH3 plus just violet things. You just group it together and write everything else together. So here also you can see HCl, remove it and write all the other elements together. And tertiary amines, they are not acylated because they do not have hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom. So to make you confused, they can ask you the reaction of tertiary amines. So there is no acetylation for tertiary amines. Okay, then reaction with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid HNO2, it's unstable, and usually it's prepared by the reaction of dilute HCl with or even H2SO4 with sodium nitrate NaNO2. So you get NaCl plus Na here ONOH because 2 oxygen atoms are here, HNO2. Aqueous nitrous acid is a product, and this nitrous acid is used to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary aliphatic amines. Okay, next primary amine. 1 alkyl group or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Secondary amine, 2 alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Tertiary, 3 alkyl or aryl group, and quaternary, an ion in which nitrogen is bonded to 4 alkyl or aryl groups, and it bears a, you can see, positive charge with 4 methyl groups or alkyl groups attached. That is known as quaternary amine. Now what you know about the basicity of amines. See, amine can react as a nucleophile according to Lewis base because they have got a lone pair non-bonding electron, and it forms a bond with an electrophile. The Bronsted-Lowry base acid can also accept a proton from a proton acid. So here we can see both the reactions as nucleophile. See here RNH2, okay, and electrophile. It reacts with see, it gets attached, and you can see here N R like this, and H and H, and the CH3 part will get attached to this nitrogen, and I will be going independent. So new bond is formed. Here also same case, HX, proton acid. So X is removed, whereas here all these combine together to form a proton acid. Okay, hope you understood this basicity concept of amines. Next, naming amines. How do you name amines? So common names, they are formed from names of alkyl groups bonded to nitrogen with the suffix amine. So the prefixes di, tri, tetra, these are all used to describe 2, 3 or 4 identical substituents. So CH3, CH2, NH2, ethylamine. Here ethylamine, ethyl dimethylamine, CH3, CH2, and CH3, CH3, tetrabutyl ammonium chloride. Can see tetrabutyl in ammonium, N plus and Cl minus, cyclohexyl dimethylamine, cyclic structure, dimethyl CH3 amine. Okay, now remember these structures, and amines are very strong base, their aqueous solutions are basic, and amine can abstract a proton from water, gives ammonium ion and hydroxide ion, and equilibrium constant for this reaction we call it base dissociation constant. See, Kb is the symbol. So RNH2 plus H2O, Kb, you can see that H gets attached there and OH goes free, and Kb, see here RNH3 and OH here, OH minus by RNH2. Okay, so stronger bases have got smaller values of pKb. Next, reaction with acid anhydrides. So primary and secondary amines are readily acylated by acid anhydrides to give corresponding N-alkyl or N-aryl amine. So see, for example, propylamine plus ethanoic anhydride, propylamine CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2 plus ethanoic anhydride CH3, COO, CO, CH3. Okay, you get propylethanamide. This is the equation. So the violet hydrogen will get attached here, and this goes as a separate product. Here diethylamine and ethanoic anhydride. See here again H, all the elements written as violet forms single compound, and the remaining will combine to give NN diethyl ethanamide. That is the product. Okay, now always for organic chemistry, the only way to learn it properly is to write the structure and learn, otherwise you won't be able to retain it in your mind. Okay, now the basicity of amines, it depends mainly on the ability of lone pair non-bonding electrons and nitrogen atom to form bond with acid, and also more easier the lone pair electrons are formed bond with acid, it will make the amines stronger base. And which are the factors affecting the basicity of amines? First one is substitution by alkyl groups, substitution by electron withdrawing groups. So by alkyl groups, presence of alkyl groups, electron donating groups like CH3, CH3, CH2, these all make amine become more basic, and see methylamine, that is why it is more basic than ammonia. And substitution by electron withdrawing group. So electron withdrawing groups are present atoms that will decrease the basicity. Nitroaniline is less basic than aniline, because nitro group, it is electron withdrawing group, so that will decrease the basicity. Next is reaction of amines. Mainly we have got to learn 4 reaction: salt formation, reaction with nitrous acid, amide formation, and ring halogenation of phenylamine. Okay, now physical properties of amines. First one is boiling point. It is increasing with the increasing relative molecular mass. The lower aliphatic amines are gases or low boiling liquids. Amines are polar compounds, and both primary and secondary amines, they are associated by intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See, in between hydrogen bonding are there. So and here R group attached to NH2, in between you have got hydrogen atom bonding is there. Now basic concepts of nylon production. First approach is when you combine molecules with an acid group on each, and these are attached with 2 chemical which contains amine NH2 groups on each end. So nylon 6,6 is made of hexamethylene diamine. You have got 6 carbon atoms, then adipic acid and 6 carbon atoms, and or another way is a compound which has got acid at one end and an amine at other end, that is polymerized to form a chain. So this chain will have repeated unit NaCH2 n times CO. So it keeps on continuing. So nylon 6 is made from single 6 carbon substance called caprolactam. Remember that. Now you can see each form. 102 tartrazine yellow, 2G sunset yellow. These are all examples of azo dyes which are used in food. Just remember the structure of the azo dyes. Okay. Now how will you synthesis or make a dye? The primary aromatic amines, they are used as starting material to make azo dyes. So what are azo compounds? These have got functional group RN, NR dash. So R and R dash can be alkyl or aryl group, and N double bond N, that group is called azo group. Then H, N and H, it's called diamide. And aryl azo compounds, they have got very good bright colors like reds, oranges, yellows and all that. This is yellow azo benzene structure. Both you draw here, N here, N here, N and N connected with double bond, attached one OH here. Okay, now amines will react with nitric acid to give diazonium salt, which undergoes coupling reaction and form azo compounds. These azo compounds are very highly richly colored, used for dyeing industries like methyl orange, direct brown 138, sunset yellow, and pond Q and all that. Okay, what are the important uses of azo dye? Methyl orange, you should have all used that as in the laboratory as indicator, acid base indicator, due to the different colors in acid and salt forms. Artist paints clays yellow to red orange and dye in food and textiles and all that. So with that we are coming to a conclusion of the second and final part of amines of class 12 NCERT. Even state board students who are appearing for Neet exam can revise all these topics one by one, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be soon uploading a video which all of you would, I'm very sure, will love to watch. That is a short interview with one of my students who got a seat for 2021 MBBS, and we'll share the experience and what all factors about the coaching, how to prepare for the exam and various aspects. Please wait for the video to be uploaded. I'll be doing it shortly, and thanks for watching my video, and I'll be coming up with another new video very soon. Thank you.